Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new email in your Outlook. So guys, for that, go to your Outlook. Now you can see there is option new email. You have to tap on it, and then from the two you have to enter the ID whom you want to send the email. And then you have to enter here the subject, and after writing your subject you have to enter here the email that you want to write. And guys, after all this you have to just tap on the send option, and then your mail will be sent. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.